Good example everyone. Today we are going to create constant letter system using Google Sheet and Google App Script. And guess what? Everything we are going to create today is going to be free. Let me show you how the system works. For this video, I'm going to take college constant letter as an example. As you can see on the screen, this is the dummy student data. I'm going to try and generate a constant letter automatically with one click. After the click, you have to wait for the system to generate a link for individual student. Once the link is generated, you will be able to click on the link and view the individual student's constant letter. All the information are pre-filled and it is ready for you to print. Now that you know how the system works, let's create your own system. In your Google Drive, right-click and select a new Google Sheet. Once a new Google Sheet is created, let's rename the Google Sheet. We call it constant letter. Once that is done, I will add a header for my columns. For you to follow along, you can pause the video and copy the exact column as shown in the video. Once the header is completed, I'm going to add the student record and rename the sheet as all record. Next, I'm going to add a new sheet and I'm going to add a header for the sheet. Once we are done, I'm going to add a name for the sheet. Once you are done, go to extension, app script, delete all the existing code and copy the code I have provided in the comment section. Paste the code in the empty project and then click on the save button. Once the code is saved, you have to replace the link of the template ID. I have already created a template. You can create your own template or you can add your letterhead and upload in the Google Drive. As you can see, the placeholder with a curly bracket to extract the data that is in the Google Sheet table. Select the template ID, copy and replace the existing ID. Once we are done with that, we are going to replace the folder ID. So to create a folder ID, right click and click on the new folder. I'm going to rename it as constant letter. This folder is created to store all the auto-generated constant letters. Once the folder is created, click on the folder and copy the folder ID. After that, replace the second ID with the folder ID we just copied and save. Go to deploy, new deployment, select type web app. After that, you can click on anyone and deploy. Authorize access, click on the email, click on advanced and unsave. Click on allow and done. Now open the Google Sheet, select the student in bulk, copy, click on generate constant letter, paste. Before that, refresh, click on autofill, create new docs and wait. You have successfully generated a bulk constant letter. All this constant letter will be stored in the folder that we created to store all the generated constant letters. Congratulations, you have created a simple system. Share with your friends so that they can also learn, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the future videos.